Draco.
Draco.
Hey, will you shut off the water? I know, shut it off, the water. He's fine, just shut the water off. Yeah, see? He's fine. Look at, see? See?
His ears, John, worry me.
Alright. You can drain some water if you want, so it's not
No,
too...
I'm not beast. I'm not just been
You
nervous.
good boy. You good boy. Come here.
Kimmy.
Good boy. You go to mommy.
You are done?
Look at your pancake. Look at that pancake.
I gotcha.
Look at that pancake. He's like, yes, that's the life, Mom.
Trust your mama.
His eyes are shutting. He's like, that was a workout.